Oh man, it seems that all the time I'm cleaning the garage. I just finished cleaning one more time. By the way, I really need to say thank you. So, because you guys gave me a lot of ideas on this floor mats. I had almost bought a new one, but I'll try to bring to life this one. So thank you so much, you guys, for all your help. Dude, this car has been sitting here for a while. It has been like 3 weeks since I started the process of paint correction. And I went ahead and I take out the spoiler, because you guys know I got a new one. The headlights are off too. So just bear with me, you know, it's something like that. Just do out of the camera because you guys don't want to really see like how to take out of this spoiler, which actually everything's here. As you guys can see, tail lights are here, all the bolts are over here. So I'm really keeping track. So once the spoiler gets here, and actually it's a beautiful day. Once the spoiler gets here, we're gonna paint it. I'm gonna paint in gloss black, because remember, we're gonna wrap the roof gloss black. Speaking about the roof, thank you so much for all the support and all the feedback on the roof and the halo wrap. As I said on my last video, I ordered the gloss black, should be here anytime, maybe tomorrow. So, but to be honest, it's growing on me. I was looking at pictures and doing stuff, and it's growing on me. One more thing, a lot of people like, oh, you know, everybody knows that it's not carbon fiber, it's fake. Of course everybody knows. That's why I share with everybody. I'm not trying to make anything fake. It's just a way I learn. Everybody knows it's a wrap. I'm not here to say like, hey, look at my roof, you know, it's carbon fiber, because it's not. And that's fine, that's how life it is. I'm trying to learn, and carbon fiber is one of the hardest vinyl to work with. So just bear with me. I'm not trying to make my car looking fake, just looking the way I want to look. And I think, to be honest, vinyl, it's a good stuff to protect your car and also change the look. It's a easy change. If you don't want a carbon fiber, you go gloss black. If you don't want a gloss black, you go white. You know what I'm saying? Like, it's really easy to change. That's why I love about the vinyl. But enough of the talk. I really appreciate you guys' support. That's what I want to say. And today we're gonna finally apply the ceramic coat, right? So what are we gonna do? Because the car has been sitting for a while, I have my air compressor over here. I'm just gonna, you know, go over and make sure there's no dust over before we wipe with prep, and then we should be ready to apply the ceramic coat. I'm excited. I'm really sorry for all the time lapse, but this kind of video, there's no other way to show you guys the process fast. Now we need to remove all the tape, because I don't know why I kept the tape for that long. Then we should be able to start applying the ceramic coat, which I'm very excited. And wow, this is gonna be painful. All right, with the tape off, we're gonna use the prep. This thing smells so good. Just to make sure it's super clean. As I said when I was wrapping the roof, when you do a paint correction, normally the compound and polish leave a lot of dust behind. So we just need to make sure it's clean. And then we should be ready to apply the ceramic coat, right? So what I'm also gonna do, and that's the reason why I was waiting that long to apply the ceramic coat, is this. This is an OEM touch-up paint. So you guys know I have a bunch of cheap rocks. Look at this one here. There's one up on the hood over here. So I'm gonna touch up those, and then we're gonna apply the ceramic coat after this dry, of course. Consider that it's not a paint job, it's good. So there's one over here, it's still drying. And on the hood, I have like the doors, the hood, it's like worse. You can barely see there. See, on the light you can see like the 2-3 points. It's so deep that doesn't do anything, to be honest. But well, let's apply the ceramic coat and we should be good to go. So for the ceramic coat, we're gonna use the C-Quartz Car Pro Light ceramic coat, right? So I showed you guys this before. This is not from here, it's from the reload. Here is the ceramic coat itself. It's a little bottle, should be enough for the entire car. We also have the applicator, that's very important. We have two. The microfiber towel, and this is just to tell that this car has been ceramic coated. And the mask, which is very important, especially nowadays, right? One more time, this is my first time applying this, right? We're gonna use 10 to 12 drops on the applicator. There's a spot you can put your fingers on and you just apply. And of course, I'm gonna wear a mask. You're gonna use like a small area to apply, like, you know, like I did with the compound. And then you're gonna apply, and then you're gonna wipe it off with the microfiber towel. So we're gonna apply once, wait an hour, apply again. The instructions say in 4 hours should be good to go outside and do whatever. But if it gets any water in the 48 hours, the first 48 hours, you should just clean before it dries. So I'm not planning to leave the car because, as you guys saw, I have to wait for the rear spoiler. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna do the first application now, and then we're gonna apply, wait an hour, and then apply that again. And the car's gonna see here probably the next 2 days. So for me, it doesn't really matter. But if you are going out with your car, just remember, if there's rain in the forecast, just make sure you know, take care of it after, right? So one thing I need, gloves, of course, we're gonna apply. This is very strong material. And just shake a lot, and let's apply. Coat on, and you guys can see it's a little bit shinier, I would say. In person, it's definitely shinier. I don't know if the camera, you know, you catch that difference, but yeah, definitely better. So I have to wait an hour to do the last coat, and then we're gonna use the reload to seal the ceramic coat. I also applied on the windows, all the glass, you know what I'm saying? Everything has been ceramic coated. I have to say, this product, it's probably the basic one. So because it was my first time, I really thought it would be a good idea to use something that was easy to use. I never thought I would ever do this by myself, but just knowing that you do by yourself, dude, that feeling you cannot beat. All right, see you guys in an hour. What about that? It's so shiny. Look at that. So shiny. Oh man, and I still need to do the reload, but the only thing I would say about this ceramic coat, I don't have anything bad to say. It's really easy to apply. I even use it like on trims, like, you know, black stuff like over here. You guys probably saw in the time lapse. I use it over here, so see how shiny it is. I use it on the glass. So it's really easy to use. Just remember, when you're done, those towels that you use, just throw away, because it's gonna get really hard and you don't want to scratch your car once you're done. Unfortunately, I cannot take it outside because I need to wait for my wing. The wing should be here tomorrow, and then we should be good to go. So that's the reload that we're gonna use, but I'm not gonna apply today. I'm gonna apply once I install the spoiler, which should be here tomorrow. Finally done, ceramic coat. Oh my god, I cannot believe I did it. So once the spoiler gets here, I will install the spoiler and we're gonna take for a ride, and then we're gonna see on the sunlight. It's gonna be awesome. So I hope you stick around. Just a reminder, you can check this video on hardworkforce.com. You also you can be part of the force and just, you know, grab your merch so you can help the channel in many different ways. So I hope you guys enjoyed today's upload. As always, thank you so much for watching. Never forget, enjoy your life and work hard for it.